Yo, what's going on, guys? Steel Vico here, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm doing an unboxing, sort of, but unfortunately, I had already opened it because, well, you see, it was a gift. My dad goes on a trip every year, and he gets me something. He knew I wanted this item, so he bought it for me before he left. And so I opened it up because I wasn't sure what it was going to be, because you never know. He kind of usually surprises us. But yeah, and if I sound a little weird or I'm struggling with thoughts right now, I didn't get very good sleep. I had to wake up pretty early. So yeah, and also I apologize for this area that I'm doing this. It's not ideal, because, you know, it's kind of messy. But, you know, I apologize for that, but there's not much I can do at the moment. And I wanted to get this video out, instead of waiting, because I wanted to have it be legit. I wanted to pull the tab out in this video versus doing it off camera and then telling you that I did it. So yeah, this is as legit as I can get it. There might be a demo on this thing, but you'll see in a minute and I'll explain. But anyway, the box is already open. We can see it is a clown. It is a swinging musical clown. And the reason I really wanted this guy was because of the song he sings. It's Halloween time. It's the version with the vocals, and I believe there's only two props that do this. It's this one and the like animated jack-o'-lantern inflatable. I forget what it's called, but it's animated. It's got lights. It sings that one. Only some versions sing that. And there is a version of It's Halloween Time with vocals sung by like 3 pumpkins, but it's an animated, like it's a video on the projector. You guys might know about that. But yeah, this is the just single version without 3 people singing and not as high pitched because it's it's supposed to be like a clown. But yeah, there will be a rip of this item. I will do a rip. One of the reasons why I really wanted this thing, it is going to be a little tricky because these Sunstar items do have the weird. I'm going to fold out his legs. And this is how he came, by the way. He didn't have any, like, packing or anything. And his legs were folded up like this, but that's okay because they're opposable. And, yeah, I apologize for this situation here. But they've got the same weird, like, box thing. So it's going to be a little bit hard to get at those screws. But hopefully I'm able to do that. It's going to be a bit tricky, but I'm going to do my best. I don't want to ruin this thing, but I will try my best to get the rip for this item. But just know it is going to be quite difficult, so, be on the lookout for that when I do that. So I'm going to pull the tab out now. And tab is out. And we can turn them on. Let me just... apologize. You're gonna miss the first part of his activation here.
It's Halloween time. Spooky scream time.
His legs are hitting each other.
You'll be very. Right when we jump out at you. Boom. We all have lots of candy, so keep that candy handy, and we'll have trick-or-treating fun.
I'm gonna fix his feet in a second.
Bad wings and green fly, with jack-o'-lanterns glowing bright. All doors are creaking, the ghosts are shrieking, and bells go dancing through the night. And as they march along, they sing the spooky song, so won't you sing along with me? It's Halloween time, that's spooky scream time, a night of scary, frightful fun. For everyone!
Oh, alright guys, I am back, and I know it just seemed like a simple cut for you guys, but I was actually gone for quite a few hours in between, because my phone was dead and I wanted to use the flash, and I didn't have enough battery for it, and also I was very tired, and I still kind of am, but I needed to take a nap, so I did, and now I'm back, and so I also have him hung up over here, so it's a little better, and I apologize for, like, the setup wasn't ideal before, and I don't know how much of the demo you guys actually saw, because, like I said, it was kind of hard for me to hold it with one hand and record because of his movement. But, overall, I'd say this guy's pretty cool. The quality is kind of what you would expect from Sunstar, being it's a little bit lower. But since it's the gift, I really do like this item. And, that's what Sunstar does. You know what you're getting. It's not like you're getting ripped off or whatever. I really like the song they have on this. And I kind of like his face. While simple, it's more unique than some of the other Sunstar clowns. The common ones that kind of look like the Hatbox Ghost, which are pretty cool, but, but that's more common, and there's a bunch of reskins of that. But in the back of his head, his head is just this piece of plastic right here over this thing, this just regular basic skull, or basic head, so it's kind of funny how they did that. I really like this. I like this kind of ploof thing, and unfortunately there's no Velcro in the back, so I think his back is exposed. I'm going to ask somebody else who has this item and see if maybe there's something wrong with mine, but I don't think so. I think it's just for easy battery access. The problem is it's going to be quite hard to get the audio rip for this item, as you can see, because it's hot glued down. So I'm going to do my best for you guys. I don't want to damage this item, but I really want to get you guys an audio rip because I know there isn't one out there of this song, of the lyric version, at least. And that's really why I really like this guy, so I'm going to do my best to try to get it. The problem is if I don't do it right, the audio won't come out correctly, so I have to get it as open as possible. But, I'll figure that out. I'll let you know, and I'll probably just tell you guys in the description what kind of process it was to get it. But, at some point I'm going to do that. We're going to look at it. I'm going to be very careful as I can. I know if you unscrew these things too hard, these Sunstar items, they will, unfortunately, they tend to kind of snap off really easily, so that's kind of a shame. And I don't like to unscrew things for the first time because it feels like Loctite or something comes off. I don't know. But I will do that eventually. But it might be a little bit. But anyway, I really do think this guy is super cool. I do like it a lot. And I like his outfit. I like the kind of Sunstar outfit. The Sunstar clowns, kind of the material. While I'm not sure if it's a cheaper material that they use than other things, I just like the look of it, the kind of shiny material. But why don't I just do one more real quick demo and probably end the video. I love that song. But it's a more cheesy-ish, family-friendly song, but I really do like it. I know I generally tend to like more scary, maybe less kid-friendly characters. We have over here William Compton and Ones I Design and Creepy Clown. I'm not a huge fan of the more child-friendly ones, but, sometimes they're ones I do like because, it's fun. I do like ones that have, cool soundtracks. If they have a cool music track I might get it even if it is on the cheesier side or if it's unique, like the witch portrait that I have, or, or if I just, like it in general, or if it's cheap or something. The price is a bit expensive for this guy. It is $40, and I think some people were able to get it for $12. I don't think the units were quite the same, so maybe it was like $20 US probably. But unfortunately, this is the only place I know to get it. I didn't search super hard, but I believe this is the cheapest way you can get it on the Halloween Haunters website. So if you want one for yourself, you can check it out on Halloween Haunters under the clown category. I will try my best to get an audio rip of this guy. It's going to take a while, and I know there isn't one out there, even though there are a few people that do have these clowns, but it is quite difficult to get at the box without ruining it. But I'll do my best, and, you know, I like to make content that I would like to see on YouTube. Is kind of one of my goals for the channel, is to create content that I would like to see that isn't out there. So that is kind of one of the things, and in getting this out of Europe, I think that'll be fulfilling my goal, because I really wanted to see this on YouTube. I know there's an instrumental version, someone did an extended, little roll or whatever. If you guys want, I'll put a link to his video in the description below. Just if you want to listen to the instrumental version of it, that it is a 10-minute long video, check it out. But yeah, overall, I do really quite like this prop. I think, it's kind of a mix between a complementary piece, like this thing over there, that skeleton, and kind of like a main set piece. It's not exactly a main set piece because of its size. It's about 3 feet tall. It says, it's 3 feet tall, including the rope, which is kind of cheap. But, you know, it's pretty large, I'd say, compared to some other things. You know, there's like smaller ones. Hasn't broken yet, even though I've only had it for 1 day. So yeah, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your opinion is on this song. I quite like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. And also, you know, let me know what you think. This is kind of different because I haven't filmed with a camera in a while, / phone. You know, I haven't actually walked around and done this. I've been doing a lot of computer stuff, and I need to get used to doing the actual walking around and filming stuff. But yeah. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. And remember,
It's Halloween time, and that's spooky scream time. I'm Night Ripples and Goblins too.
goodbye.